DataRay strip chart functionality is great for keeping track of beam parameters over time. You can access the strip chart window through this button. Once it's open, you'll notice 8 separate drop-down windows. With these windows, you can select different parameters that you want to measure over time. For now, I'll select some centroid positions. And when you're ready, just press Start. Now, as I change the centroid location over time, you'll notice that it's plotted here in the software. If I want to stop at any point, I just click the Stop button. I can also export this data as either a CSV or as an Excel file. Keep in mind you have options to set the interval between data points here, either in frames or in a time parameter. You can even set the recording period. If you choose the rolling option, it'll capture up to 2,000 points, and then after that, delete old points and populate new ones. You can also set a total number of points you want to capture or a total time frame over which you want to capture these points.